In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on your Windows laptop or PC. Just go to your any browser, then you need to search for Discord, then press enter, and there you can see it will take you to this link discord.com. Just click here, and then you'll see this option download for Windows and open Discord in your browser. So we're going to download it in our Windows. So here we need to click here download for Windows. Once you click on it, it will download a exe file. There you can see, and it is around 114 MB. So this will take some time. So I will just fast forward the video. And here you can see the download is complete. So right now we need to double click on this exe file. And once you double click, it will open Discord over here. You can see downloading updates over here, installing, and it is starting right now. So right now we need to log in, or you can register over here. You can simply now click on register. You need to give your name, email address, and everything. Or you can also directly just log in from here. So I hope you are able to download and install Discord in your device. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.